What's up, guys? It's Andrew with Agency Turnkey. I've done a few videos already, but I want to shoot another one for you because I think this one is pretty cool. Um, this is for another attorney, but they're in two different industries. So they want to focus on obviously PI, personal injury, accidents, but they also want to do roofing. So anybody who's like claim got denied, they want to help those people out as well. And so it's basically a roofing campaign with legal. And so I want to dive into those results because I mean they're pretty cool results. I haven't seen roofing leads come in this cheap in a long time, especially when we're asking like a lot of questions on the back end. So I want to dive into that one first. So as you can see, we got roofing here. It's almost 300 leads at $12 a pop. They got a $5,000 budget for this. I mean, I don't know what to say. That's pretty awesome. I haven't seen this since probably 2020, late 2020. So pretty good results there. Pretty happy with that, and hopefully I can kind of take this and start implementing with a bunch of different roofers that are interested in working with us, but we just don't pull the trigger on it because I don't know why. Anyways, PI here we got 200 almost 50 leads, 249, 135 a pop here. They got a big budget for that. I think it's like 60 grand they got a budget for. So almost 575 daily here. They got another 850 on TikTok, which is producing as well. And then we're gonna bump this one up more too, to match the 575 here because that one's bringing in 15 leads under $100, and this one's gonna be females only. So what we did was we just looked at the data and see what the breakdown was of who was more interested, who was opting in more, male or female, age group, all that good stuff. And you guys can do that all here where it says breakdowns. You just go breakdown by delivery, and you can kind of see the data and see what to do or what moves to make just based on data. That's what we did. And so, we got some good results here. So, yeah, guys, that's a quick video on this one. Like I said, pretty stoked about the roofing because I expected $50 per lead, especially now with Q4. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys want to reach out, talk a little bit about white label services or training a media buyer to get them similar results for your clients, let us know. We're getting into that and happy to help you guys. So until the next video, guys, take care, enjoy the week, and keep crushing it.